Hello and welcome to this LinkedPhone tutorial. We're going to show you how to add a new user to your LinkedPhone account. An essential step in sharing calls and text messages with team members. Let's get started. Start by tapping the contacts icon in the tab bar. Next, tap on the team icon. This is your management hub for your team and their contact details. To add a new user, tap on Add New User. Ensure you pay close attention to detail here. Fill in your team members' details accurately, including their first name, last name, email address, and phone number. This accurate information guarantees your team member will be successfully added to your LinkedPhone account. Finally, tap Save to roll out the red carpet for your new team member. An email will be sent to your team member with setup instructions. And that's it. You've added a new user to your business phone system. Enjoy the streamlined team management benefits provided by the LinkedPhone team. We thank you for partnering with us.